Hi guys, I'm Judy. Today I will introduce this outdoor rental airplanes EA576H1. The EA576H1 outdoor rental air screens has IP65 protection rating. This handle is very exquisite and with anti-clipper treatment and color chips to increase visibility. The top of cabinet also features multi-slots, making the installation more convenient. Furthermore, there are 15 corner protectors at the corners. In addition, we have innovative magnetic design. Supports both front and rear maintenance. EA576H1 outdoor rental airplane uses HUB-based connection. The power supply unit is removable and features visibility fastener for easy and repeat maintenance. We have also prepared two types of locks design, a quick lock and the curb lock. This allows you to create even more stage effect. In terms of display performance, EA576H1 outdoor rental space is also excellent. Utilizing 3840Hz high refresh rate technology, combined with high grayscale and high brightness performance, it delivers a more delicate and smooth visual experience. That's all for this video. I'm Judy. See you next time. Bye bye.